Here's Carol.
Thank you, Billy. Good morning. Once again today, it's a chilly start to the day. Some of us have a touch of frost or some patchy fog, but for most, it's fairly cloudy. However, sunshine will break through, and for the week ahead, there will be some sunshine at times. It's going to be milder than last week for many. But as we head into Wednesday, it becomes a bit more unsettled with some rain. Now you can see there's not much going on across the UK weather-wise today. Even the breeze isn't particularly strong. The exception to that in the southwest. What we have though is a lot of cloud first thing, and also a little bit of frost and fog, as I mentioned. But quite readily today, some of us will see that change. Not so across Northern Ireland. Even at 9 o'clock, it still is going to be fairly cloudy. But for Wales, after a cloudy cold start, we'll start to see the cloud breaking up and some sunshine coming through. For the southwest of England, here too, the sun will break through that cloud, and it's also going to be breezy. Across parts of Cornwall, we could have gusts up to 35 miles an hour today. Southern areas of England and the Channel Islands also seeing some sunshine, that extending through the morning across East Anglia. But even at 9 o'clock, there still will be a lot of cloud from the Midlands into the north of England, around Manchester, Chester itself. But the far north of England, the far south of Scotland, seeing some sunshine. Now the rest of Scotland fairly cloudy with some light outbreaks of rain, particularly across the far north and the northern and western Isles. But for many, look at how the sunshine just breaks through. It's going to be a beautiful day across England, Wales and parts of eastern Scotland. Feeling quite spring-like, and the temperature's up a touch compared to yesterday. We're looking at a high of around about 9 degrees. Now, as we go through the evening and overnight period, where we've got the clear skies, of course, is where the temperature will tumble away. And once again, we're looking at a frosty night, but also some fog patches forming, especially for East Anglia, the Midlands, Wales and into Northern England. There'll be a bit more cloud across Scotland and Northern Ireland for that to happen. But even so, it's still going to be a nippy night here too. So we start tomorrow with the fog. It could prove to be problematic for the morning journey, but it will lift through the morning. And if anything, tomorrow is going to be sunnier for more of us than today. So England, Scotland, Northern Ireland and Wales at times all seeing some sunshine with some fair weather cloud. And across England and Wales in particular, the temperature will lift again, a high of about 13 degrees. Scotland and Northern Ireland, we're looking at 6s and 7s. Then later in the day, the cloud will thicken in the south. We'll start to see some light outbreaks of rain. And here's Wednesday. We start to change once again with some wet and breezy weather at times, but the temperature still hanging on there between about 7 and 10 degrees. Susanna and Billy.
Carol, thanks.